It's Christmas in July! Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns, and today we're going to talk about even more angel patterns, and they are very cute, just like this little ducky. Amphibi crochet. Review another set of cute and gorgeous angels. Let's take a look. This is a sweet angel. I love the felt wings with the little embroidery on them, and the cute hairstyle with hair clip is also very nice. More traditional Christmas angel with gold accents, golden wings and a golden trumpet. And a sweet, I'm gonna zoom in for a bit, a sweet angel. And this is a more abstract one, nice to hang somewhere in your Christmas tree or as a decor in your home. I like the details on the felt. I like the details on the felt wings, and I have to say the hair is absolutely adorable. And Doctor Who fans will recognize this one as one of the weeping angels. Do not blink. A sweet one. I like the little dress finishing and the hair. And a mouse angel. So cute. And this angel choir of boys and girls is very, very cute and adorable. I love how you can, this shows how you can change up the colors with the dresses and colors of the wings. And I really like the hairstyle. It's a fluffy angel with cute golden accents on the wings. And a very sweet angel. Nellie Handmade made this pattern for a very nice and cute angel. These are almost like granny square angels. I like the little songbook and the little wreath that they're holding. Here's another look. Very cute. And another one with awesome hairstyle. How cute is this? I like the eyes and the little dangly legs. These little angels look like they're having a good time. And notice how their hair color matches their shoes. This one makes me very happy. I like the cheeky expression on her face, but I have to say the hair steals the show. Such a beautiful, beautiful big hairdo on that angel. She's wearing a little collar, necklace, and these feet are fantastic. Very serene, holy angel, absolutely adorable. These angels pose very tough. I like the granny square wings they have. And a sweet, almost grandma-like angel with beautiful lashes. And this angel has her own Christmas tree, nicely decorated. I like the little crown, and she looks fantastic. And that's it for today. I hope you check back tomorrow for more Christmas in July. I wish you happy crocheting.